What is going on, guys? It's Jono. Today we're talking about 5 web applications that every freaking single service-based business owner should be implementing literally today and using every single day. These web applications that I built myself literally helped our company scale past 7 figures, and it directly brought in over $100,000 every single year. And the best part is I didn't have to work really at all for that once they're set up. Let me show you how this works. It's going to work for pretty much any service-based business out there. So when you're a service-based business, you're going to be depending on lead flow, right? First name, last name, email, phone number, that kind of information you're going to have to collect to people. Now, after that information is collected, what we do is we send out a quote page to our clients. Now, of course, you can have this information on your website before the client actually goes ahead and fills out the lead form. But the point is that you're exchanging this information in order to capture that lead information so that you can call, text, and email that person immediately. The cool thing about a page like this is it allows you to answer any questions they may have before they ask it. So in this case, what we're doing is showcasing our portfolio right away. We offer DJ photography and videography services. So in our instance, we'd be providing a portfolio for photography and videography and DJ services. You can kind of see all of our different templates, right? So it's really hooking the person as to why our service would be good and as to why they'd probably want to potentially work with us. Then we go into pricing to let them know how much it's going to cost, and then our difference, right? In our different section, this is super powerful stuff. What I love about it is you go down line item by line item, and you tell the user, the lead, what you provide and then what your competitors provide and what the average value is of the line item that you're offering. And you can see here that we offer pretty much everything the same, right? But then halfway through, we say, hey, this is what we offer that our competitors don't offer. And it also tells the average value of all the line items that we provide pretty much for free. But we price it out at $4,060 of additional value if they choose to go with us. Then we provide a video here. If you guys aren't providing a video or doing any video marketing, this is so powerful. This builds a lot of trust and credibility with your brand. So I highly recommend that. And then we have our team listed here. We have personally about 80 contractors on our team, but yeah, you can go through and see all of their different portfolios and all of that kind of stuff. And if you like what you see, then you can just let us know, for example, that maybe you want to work with that particular person. So this is awesome as well. And it really gives the client the ability to choose what they like and what they don't like. Then our full-time staff is listed down below here. Our clients, video testimonials, some of the brands we work with like Microsoft, Samsung, TD, build a lot of credibility. And then all of the frequently asked questions that we get are listed down below. Now, what usually happens here is that a lot of the time, because we're exchanging that lead info for this quote page, we actually call the person in 60 seconds, which by the way, increases your conversion rate by 391%. So you can make 4 times as much money if you just call somebody faster. But in essence, we actually get off the phone, complete a sales call likely before they even see that quote page. And what we do in that case is we send out a proposal to the person, right? So in this proposal, it's a 7-part proposal that goes over much of the same information because there's a good chance they didn't see that past quote page by the time they see this proposal that we're sending off to them. So we once again showcase our portfolio here. We showcase our team and their individual portfolios as well, our full-time team, and then everything that we provide broken down line item by line item, a nice video here, customer testimonials. By the way, video testimonials in particular are so freaking powerful. If you guys are just doing text testimonials, highly recommend switching to video because it will massively increase your conversion rate. The next page is all of the details that we talked about on that particular sales call. The beautiful thing about this is that you're sending over a proposal within literally 10 seconds. This should be an automated email with a link to our proposal like this. And the cool thing is like most businesses, they're like, yeah, I'll send over the documents as soon as I can. And then like 72 hours pass and nothing happens, right? And you don't receive it. And it's not the best taste, right? It's not the best look. With this, you want to send it right away. way with all the details that you just summarized. And in doing so, it's super professional. Then I like to showcase the timeline as to what comes next if they do decide to move forward with us. And of course, contract and invoices here. You can see everything itemized out with discounts and tax rates applied as well. And then lastly, frequently asked questions. So that is everything. Those are the two main software web apps that we send out to people before they become customers. So while they're still leads, super powerful stuff. Highly recommend building this out, and you don't need to custom code it like I did to get the same results. Now, the next two applications I want to share with you are after that lead becomes a customer. The next one is our store. Now, if you're a service-based business, you 100% should have a store where you sell things online, products or services. The reality is that your customers aren't going to know what it is that you're selling unless you offer it to them, right? So what better way than to have it on an online store where they can see all your product offerings on display and they can pick and choose what they like. The thing that I like about this particular store is actually that I showcase this after the lead becomes a client, because then in their mind, when they go to purchase, they rationalize it as an additional expense that is completely separate from the initial payment that they made. Which a lot of the time allows them to spend more, so it increases the lifetime value of every single customer. So in our case, we have tons of different stuff, bundles, we have additional time. Once again, we're a DJ photo and video company, extra speakers, wireless microphone, MC services, down to the photo thing. You have bundles, unedited photos, photo albums, engagement shoots, all of that kind of stuff we're offering, right? And people buy this all the time, like crazy. Every single day we have people buying tons of stuff. So this is a great way to increase the lifetime value of customers. And then you can hook this up to automation so that when somebody purchases anything, it sends out the appropriate information to your team members so they know what to do moving forward. I personally don't deal with any of this. It's 100% automated. So, it's pretty much passive to me at this point in time. This is the easiest way we make money. And similarly to the store, we also have planning forms. Now, initially, when I started this business, I would just have forms where I'd collect information about somebody's wedding, right? But the reality is that you can do so much more with planning forms. Planning forms are one of the best ways that you can upsell clients, because their attention is currently on filling in the information to provide you with the information you need to succeed in the role that they hired you to do, right? So, this is kind of what our planning forms look like. They have style pickers, they have editing pickers, they can choose different editing styles, they can generate a fully customizable playlist with Spotify. And this is our playlist picker. I mean, they can literally build playlists, which is connected to Spotify within our planning forms. But this stuff doesn't necessarily correlate to making more money. But what does is in the question intake process, we have these boxes like this where we allow clients to upsell themselves on particular products or services that they need, right? So in this instance, as somebody goes through the planning process, they'll be asking or answering questions, right? And for a particular question like this, they might get to it and think, well, our officiant actually does need a microphone, and then they'll select yes. And when they select yes, natively in the form intake process, it's going to say, hey, if you want this particular, if you want us to provide that microphone for you, it's going to cost $124.99. Do you want to add that? How many do you want to add? They can go ahead and add that straight into their cart. If they want to check out and purchase that through Stripe, they can go ahead and do so immediately. And the cool thing about this is that it's fully native, right? So if, for example, they get to the MC section, maybe they choose basic MC announcements, we don't offer them anything. But if they get to full MCing and they want that, they can check it off, and then we'll add this in. Now, you can actually build this out using paperform.co. I do have a video where I walk through the exact process on how to set this up with no code necessary. So I highly recommend checking out that video. It'll be in the description down below. Now, the next software application and the final software application that I'm going to be going over is our dashboard. And this is specifically for our contractors, right? So every contractor that we have has access to a dashboard like this. Now, this does not make us money. What this does is it buys us time. So instead of having to go back and forth, maybe deal with paper or maybe deal with emails or text messages, that's just such a headache to deal with. We automatically have all the data from our CRM automatically copied and pasted in here, right? And anytime our contractor logs in, they can see all of the weddings or corporate events or whatever that they're assigned to, everything in the past, everything that's upcoming, right? And then they can also book future events as well. In this case, there is no future events to book because they've already all been claimed. And if they were to log in to a particular event, this is what they'd see, right? They'd be able to see all of the information pertaining to that particular client, all the team members they're working with, all of the additional information that they need to succeed on that event. And with these 5 web applications, it not only made me so much freaking money, but it also saved so much time. It allowed me to effectively remove myself from my business, pretty much automate everything, and really allowed us to scale, because a lot of the one-off questions that we'd be getting, not only from clients or leads, but also from our team, were handled by these software applications. And allowing yourself to buy back your time to focus on high leverage tasks is ultimately how you're going to grow. And that's what allowed us to scale our business to the level that we did. So I hope that you found this useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to this channel down below, because I will be releasing videos just like this one pretty much every single day. If you guys have questions, leave it in the comment section down below. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.